Here we have a modern option for decks, stairs, balconies, and walkways. It uses steel cables for strength and rust resistance, with posts in aluminum, steel, or wood. Handrails come in stainless steel, wood, aluminum, or composite, giving you style choices that fit you spaces. This paint spray comes with two 34-ounce containers, a 13-foot hose, and shoulder straps for easier movement during larger jobs. Adjustable flow helps cut overspray and supports an even coat. It can speed up painting and clean up easily after the job is done. Noga Spider Burr is an external pipe chamfer tool that quickly bevels and deburrs pipe edges for a clean finish. Its hardened steel blades last a long time, need little upkeep, and remove sharp burrs in one pass. Pull stubborn nails, screws, and staples easy, even when heads are rusted, broken, or missing. The pivoting design adds extra leverage while helping protect surfaces. Built from hardened steel with non-slip handles, it's great for tight spaces. Keep drilling areas cleaner with a vacuum dust extractor that sticks firmly to the wall while you work. Powered by a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery, it includes a USB charging cable, built-in horizontal and vertical spirit levels, a laser guide, and a removable dust pod. Moving to Norway, I found the Pico pipe to be a practical solution for dust-free pipe blasting. It cleans 2 to 8 inch metal pipes to SA3/SP5 standard, removing rust, paint, and scale with reusable aluminum oxide. Perfect for plumbing, electrical conduit, and hydraulic piping. This electro-hydraulic pipe bender works with steel, stainless steel, copper, and plastic-coated pipes. It bends sizes from 1/2 inch to 1.65 inches up to 180 degrees with high accuracy. This tool cleanly cuts plastic pipes and ceiling sleeves without chips. It cuts multiple diameters and wall thicknesses, even soft foam core pipes. The rotating blade makes precise pipe cuts. Zhejiang, China. This trencher runs on a 20 horsepower engine with a hydraulic system and 6.3-gallon oil capacity. It digs 23.6 to 39.4 inches deep and 3.9 inches wide. Bright, portable, and built for hard jobs, this tower lights up to 2,500 lumens with adjustable brightness and height from 4 to 7 feet. It runs on battery or cord power, sets up in seconds, stays stable on site, and gives clear overhead lighting with reduced shadows.